Good morning, namaskar to all my valuable viewers. Today we are going to discuss a new issue which we call as a घर घर की समस्या. हर घर में एक अजीब सा हम लोगों ने कल्चर बना रखा है. There is hardly any religion, irrespect across the board, where when the girl child is born, there is slightly subdued happiness. People are not, it is right from the birth, the child is considered as a liability, and some people inform the people also about the birth of a girl child as a passed in second division. That means a girl child is considered as a not a premium child, it is a secondary child. So this is, of course, it is not a good, and this is practically possible across the board in all the religions. And mind it, the girls are the most religious fraternity in the society. सबसे ज़्यादा धार्मिक हमारे देश में लड़कियां हैं. And she is subjected to a second class treatment irrespective of any religion. It is very sad. Our government, Ladki Bachao, Ladki Padhao, so many schemes, some scholarship, some special privilege in certain states. Girl child, single child, if the family has got one child, that too single, there is some reservation in academic institutions, in jobs. All those incentives are somehow are not able to eliminate this stigma that the girl child is not a premium child. So recently I saw one video was where most respected script writer, a man who is a very renowned person, Javed Akhtar Saab, he is most respected man in the country. He was narrating one story. In China, there is a one state where जो चूजा जो मुर्गा पाला जाता है, जब अंडे से चूजा निकलता है तो ब्रिंगिंग अप इन वन सॉर्ट ऑफ ए केज व्हेन इट इज़ ए स्मॉल, एंड देन उसको मेवा खिलाया जाता है. और फूड इज़ मेवा. जब वो थोड़ा सा ग्रो कर जाता है एंड द केज वेयर द it is kept becomes smaller, then that is shifted to the next cage. There also that continuously the food is meva and other precious items. Then slowly, cage after cage and cage after cage, that chooja is shifted, and finally it takes a final big shape. And you mind it, you may be surprised to know that according to, it is not my research, it is a research by Javed Saab. He has been quoted as saying that उसके बाद जब उसको पकाया जाता है तो उसके अंदर कोई हड्डी नहीं होती. दैट मीन्स द अपब्रिंगिंग राइट फ्रॉम द चूजा जब अंडे से बाहर निकला, वहाँ से लेके जो फाइनल शेप आई, वहाँ तक पहुँचने तक हमने कहीं भी उसको हिलाया डुलाया नहीं, उसको मूव नहीं करा, और उसको पैम्परिंग करी. वी कंटिन्यू लुकिंग आफ्टर एंड गिविंग ए वेरी गुड फीड आल्सो, एंड किसी भी तरह उसकी हड्डी डेवलप हुई ही नहीं. तो सेम वे इन आवर कंट्री when the girl child is born, we look after that child the same way. We feed that. Nowadays, we do not spare money. We have no conjusi for that girl child, We look after nicely. Very nicely we look after. We spend lot of money and then we marry off. And at the time of marriage, the girls goes with a very heavy pressure लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर द टीचिंग, एंड देन कान में उसको सिखाया जाता है, यही आपकी जहाँ आपको भेजा जा रहा है, जिस ससुराल में आपको भेजा जा रहा है, वहाँ पर हम आपको डोली में छोड़ के आए हैं, वहाँ से तुम्हारी अर्थी निकलनी चाहिए. That sort of mental pressure and stigma that girl is carrying. And why? Simply because she's a girl, so nicely looked after, so nicely brought up, and she is working there. She goes wherever she goes. She works very hard. Nowadays, they are working. They are not only working at home. They are professionals, doctors, engineers, pilots, whatnot. And then why she should be subjected to that sort of a discrimination? शादी के बाद हम उसको बोलते हैं कि तुम तो पराई हो गई. कोई पराई नहीं है. You give her a briefing. The message must go to the child. You have gone there. If you are not comfortable there, come back. ये तुम्हारा घर है. ये के दरवाजे हमेशा तुम्हारे लिए खुल रहे हैं. हम आपको हमेशा उतना ही रिस्पेक्ट से रखेंगे जितनी आप शादी के पहले थी. She should be not be subjected to any mental torture, and this is the duty of entire society to see that the girl child is given all sorts of comfortable and a decent life to live. With this we conclude. No, please, for God's sake, do not go to any some sort of, ये जो लोग बोलते हैं हम सब बड़े संस्कारी हैं, कोई संस्कार ये नहीं सिखाता कि लड़की का टॉर्चर करिए. कोई संस्कार ये नहीं सिखाता कि उसको इस चीज़ के लिए डिप्राइव करिए कि सिंस शी इज़ ओनली ए गर्ल चाइल्ड. सो शी मस्ट बी assured and given a decent life so long as she is alive. With this, we conclude our video here itself. Thanks a lot.